In today's digital age, software applications permeate every aspect of our lives, from communication to healthcare. Users expect seamless experiences and reliable performance. Quality assurance, QA, ensures software meets and exceeds user expectations long after deployment. While developers often receive credit, QA professionals work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure quality and reliability. They identify and mitigate issues that could impact the user experience. QA's role becomes even more critical post-deployment, ensuring software remains robust and secure. As software evolves, QA professionals ensure updates and fixes don't introduce new problems. They meticulously test and validate modifications to maintain software integrity. QA teams play a pivotal role in ensuring customer satisfaction and building trust. In essence, QA professionals are the guardians of the user experience, champions of quality in today's competitive software landscape. QA in software support encompasses a wide range of responsibilities essential for maintaining software quality. From issue reporting to resolution, QA professionals are involved at every stage. They act as detectives, identifying root causes, verifying solutions, and preventing future problems. One primary responsibility is issue management, receiving, logging, and prioritizing user-reported issues. QA professionals liaise between users and developers, ensuring clear communication. They reproduce issues, verify validity, and provide developers with necessary information. Conducting thorough root cause analysis prevents recurring defects. QA teams develop and execute comprehensive test cases to identify potential regressions. Rigorous regression testing maintains software integrity and prevents new problems. Their meticulous efforts deliver a seamless and reliable user experience. Imagine a bustling emergency room where triage ensures critical cases receive immediate attention. Similarly, QA professionals triage incoming user issues to address critical problems promptly. Issue triage begins the moment a user reports a problem through various channels. QA teams gather necessary information to understand the problem's nature and severity. They assess impact and urgency, assigning priority levels from critical to low. Effective triage ensures timely and efficient response to user issues. Prioritizing issues minimizes disruption and prevents escalation. A well-defined triage process streamlines support workflow and resource allocation. Treating symptoms without investigating the underlying cause is like applying a band-aid to a deeper wound. In software support, fixing immediate symptoms without understanding the root cause leads to recurring problems. Root cause analysis, RCA, is a systematic process of identifying the underlying cause of a problem. It involves collaboration between QA professionals, developers, and stakeholders. RCA prevents the same issue from recurring by addressing the root cause. This saves time and resources, improving software quality and stability. RCA promotes a deeper understanding of the software's architecture and functionality. Insights gained from RCA improve testing processes and identify potential weaknesses. RCA is about continuously learning and improving software quality. It's not just about fixing issues, it's about enhancing the overall development process. User feedback is an invaluable resource in software development. It provides a direct line of communication between creators and users. For QA professionals, user feedback serves as a compass, guiding efforts to align software with user needs. User feedback helps identify and prioritize issues that might not be apparent in testing. It provides insights into real-world usage and areas for improvement. QA teams analyze feedback to shape the software's roadmap and enhance user experience. Not all feedback is equal. QA teams sift through it to identify common themes and prioritize issues. Effectively harnessing user feedback ensures software remains user-centric and evolves to meet changing demands. The relationship between QA and development is often portrayed as adversarial, but effective support relies on collaboration. QA and development work together towards delivering seamless software experiences. Collaboration begins during development, with QA participating in design reviews and providing feedback. QA and development prevent many issues from reaching the support stage. Post-release, QA and development diagnose problems, identify root causes, and develop solutions. Effective communication is paramount to successful collaboration. Open and transparent communication channels ensure quick and efficient issue resolution. QA and development teams work together to maintain software quality and reliability. In software, every code change has the potential to introduce new issues or regressions. Regression testing ensures modifications don't cause new problems or break existing functionality. It's a safety net that maintains software stability. Regression testing can be manual or automated depending on complexity. Manual testing involves retesting specific functionalities, while automated testing uses scripts. Thorough regression testing mitigates the risk of regressions. It maintains user trust and prevents costly rework. Ensuring software remains reliable and stable over time is crucial. Users expect instant gratification and seamless experiences from software. Performance optimization is critical, and QA professionals play a crucial role. QA works with developers to establish performance benchmarks and identify bottlenecks. They conduct load testing, stress testing, and performance profiling. Post-release, QA monitors performance using various tools and techniques. They track key performance indicators to identify degradation or anomalies. QA works with developers to diagnose and improve performance issues. Performance optimization is an ongoing process, ensuring software remains fast and efficient. Ensuring software security and compliance is paramount in today's interconnected world. QA professionals uphold the highest standards of security and compliance. During development, QA ensures security best practices are followed. They participate in security reviews, conduct vulnerability assessments, and test resilience. Post-release, QA monitors security logs and tracks vulnerabilities. QA works with developers to assess and patch security vulnerabilities. QA ensures software complies with industry regulations and standards. They stay abreast of regulations and validate software to meet requirements. Software development is constantly evolving, with new technologies and methodologies. QA professionals must adapt to these challenges and embrace new approaches. Increasing software complexity requires new skills and tools for effective testing. Agile and DevOps methodologies emphasize rapid iteration and continuous delivery. QA adapts processes to keep up with development speed without compromising quality. Automation and integration into the development pipeline are essential. AI and machine learning present unique testing challenges. By adapting, QA ensures effective support and exceptional user experiences.